Hi, Katrina. I'm just going to start by showing you how to check my feedback. So I'm going to go into student view. So you go to grades and go to the assignment that you want feedback on. This is the test student, and the test student has only turned in one assignment. It's this assignment here, but you would go to, MLIBR 901 first half. And there are three ways I leave comments. One way is in rubrics, and I don't always do all of them. So anyway, there are three different ways I leave comments. So there's one way is the rubric. So if you ever see points off, you can always go and maybe quickly figure out, get a first bit of feedback by looking at the rubric. And then you can get more detailed comments in two ways. One way is, so when you submit an assignment, there's a comment box, and I have a comment box too, and I don't always use it, but I sometimes do, and you can check that here. So like this is a little note that I left in a comment box. And you can set your notifications so you know about these. To set your notifications, I can show you that in a minute. Anyway, the most important way I leave comments is on the assignment itself, and to check those comments, you click on the assignment title, click on view feedback, and then you can expand your screen so it's bigger, and I'll let you know in these green comments what's going on. Let me pause and all right, so I'm going to go out of student view and show you quickly where to go for setting your notifications. You go up here, see where the cursor is, click on accounts, and go to notifications. And I think the important ones are those comments, which are called submission comments. And then you might want to set, yourself to receive, I don't know, a daily, notify immediately for due dates or something like that. Okay, so now let's go to this assignment. So here's the assignment that you asked about. And right here, I hope, and if it's not here, here it is. So in order to pass the class, you need an average of 80% on the 5 quizzes, and you must take all 5. If you are unable to pass the class, which means earning 80% average, you can ask a librarian to reset the course for you. So you can so you can take the quiz again, and you do not have 80%. And I also just want you to know that a lot of times I'll take points off. And in this case, I put the 0 in to get your attention so that you will come and fix it. So here, you left me a message. I did put a request in already. I completed the first part of it. I'm not quite sure what that means, but when you redo this quiz and get you'd have to get a 3 or a 4 or a 5 to have an 80% average. Then I would like for you to resubmit a screenshot that shows me that you have an 80% average, and then I'll change this to a 30 out of 30.